2022 Rolls Royce Phantom. I had this going with my GoPro and my GoPro Dad, so I'll just do the post review how to take the panels off. So this sits in here like this, and the armrest is right here. So you just pull up on the armrest. There's a T20, T20, two T25s right here, and then you let this rest. Right there is good. And there's another T25 right here. Open up this little compartment door behind the door handle, T20 right there. And then once you get all that out, there's just soft clips around the perimeter. Pop those open. And then right here, I recommend taping these right here, because when you pull up, this might scratch the plastic. So what I did, I just grabbed some gloves and I taped it around there like that. And then you're just gonna pull up really, really hard. I started off from the left side. I'm on the back door. So I shot it off on the left side and just pulled up really, really hard and just yanked extremely hard, and it came up. These seals are extremely tight, but got it done. Hopefully this helps someone. All right, guys, later. Right here, you push this down. Same thing on the other side over here. And when you release that, then you just slide them to the right and they all come off. And that is going to give you access to yank off this door panel.